This is a 2018 Honda Odyssey EX-L with 6 cylinders and 3.5 liters. AutoCheck gives this Honda a score of 92 out of 91. Shows no history of being involved in any accidents. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. Has a power liftgate, and the seats fold down into the storage compartment, so I have one folded down nice and flat so you can see. You have to haul larger items that you'll have plenty of space to place them. Get that seat adjusted right. And then here is your storage area, space with all the seats up. And then there's your lift gate button to close them. I'll zoom in so you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a gray leather. There are no tears or rips anywhere, holes. Here is the passenger seat in the middle row. The captain's, you've got the nice bucket seats. Then here's your rear seats. Your rear passengers can be entertained with a working DVD player, and then you've got their air control as well. And then down here you have HDMI ports as well as USB ports.
And now it's Steve Defendi.
So you have dual power seats. They are both heated. Here is your home screen. You've got navigation and CarPlay. Let me go here. We'll get the navigation. There you go. Then you have your tri-zone climate. Here is your control. Your park, rear, backup, neutral, drive. You can drive if you need to drive in snow. Then here you have your heated seats. Stay toasty warm this upcoming winter time. In the middle console you have a USB and auxiliary ports. Then we need to put gas in, put some air in the tires, otherwise there's no caution or warning lights on. There's your cruise control, menu and phone controls, lane departure, collision alert, power locks, power windows, and seat memory. And then up here you have a sunroof. So as you can see, this Honda Odyssey is loaded with all the stuff that you guys would like to have a comfortable trip and drive anywhere, traveling around town, going on a trip. If you would like to come in and take this for a test drive, we're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.